in Malti u fej wasal ATIF.
Inti ġejta u Malta, ma tgħix ġifieri fil-Pakistan, qed tgħix f'dinja kultura oħra u inti kif stinkajt ħafna mill-lider biex tipprova tintegra. Però ejja mmorru ftit lura meta ġejta u Malta l-ewwel darba. Kif ħassejtek bħala persuna ovvjament mhux Maltija li ġejt tgħix hawnhekk?
Jekk ngħidlek u jkun onest, ngħidlek verament 100% truth. Meta kont niġi mill-Ġermanja hawnhekk, għax qabel kont fil-Ġermanja u mbagħad kont ġejt f'Malta. Matul il-vjaġġ kollu bil-ajruplan kont nitlob biss għax kont nara li jiena niġi imur lejn il-pajjiż li ma nafx. U xi għandi nagħmel kollox huwa differenti, per dinja oħra naħseb. U kont nitlob li il-mizzjoni li għandi fi moħħi biex naħdem fi dan il-pajjiż Alla jagħtina kuraġġ u erf u biex naf in-nies. Imma meta kont ħriġt barra mill-ajruport ta' Malta, ħassejt li wasalt id-dar tiegħi. U ħassejt komdu, ħafna komdu. U issa wkoll meta għandi xi ħafna ħabib u l-familja, xi membri tal-familja fil-Ġermanja wkoll. Ma meta jmur Ġermanja, ma nħoss li dan huwa pajjiż tiegħi. U dejjem irid biex nerġa' lura għax Malta huwa pajjiż tiegħi. U nista' ngħidilhom li Malta huwa it-tieni pajjiż u t-tieni dar tiegħi. U inħobb Malta mhux l-inqas biex inħobb il-pajjiż ta' tiegħi li huwa Pakistan. U meta ngħix hawn naħseb u nemmen li inħobb iktar Malta u din huwa wkoll din erf ukoll ġi mill-fundatur tal-komunità tagħna u mill-Profeta Islam u għalli dan huwa d-dmir ta' kull Musulman li jħobb il-pajjiż fejn jgħix kemm huwa jħobb il-pajjiż tiegħu. U aħna il-komunità tagħna u jien ukoll personalment inħobb Malta ħafna u aħna jridu biex ngħinu dan il-pajjiż. Mhux inkunu burden fu dan il-pajjiż, imma jkunu parti. U aħna wkoll kellimt darba mal-Prim Ministru u mal-President mhux tal-lum, President Edi Feni Kadami, u hemm ħafna membri parlamentari jiena dejjem nitkellem magħhom li jekk Malta għandha bżonn Alla ħares, aħna dejjem nibqgħu fil-paċi, imma jekk Malta għandha bżonn aħna il-komunità tagħna kulħadd se jkun fuq il-qudiem. Mhux nibqgħu lura li dan huwa mhux nagħmlu xejn, le, aħna nkunu quddiem u ngħinu din il-pajjiż kemm nistgħu.
Issa din hija l-parti ta' l-ikel, fil-fatt hawnhekk hawn riħa taqsam ta' ikel vera ifuħ, spices fenomenali. ATIF, so now we're going to switch to the English language because of the names of the food. Can you explain to us what is this? This is the traditional Pakistani food?
Yes, this is traditional Pakistani food, and this is biryani will start from because this is very typical, very traditional to not only Pakistan but many Asian countries, for example in India as well. So this is one of the best dishes and traditional dishes we have in our country. In this, this all dish is made of rice, chicken, that are the main ingredients, but then there are many, it would be around 10, 12, 15 different ingredients we put to make the taste best. There are many spices, and hope you will enjoy this. And this is curry. We also say it korma in our language, but in English we say curry. So this is also chicken curry. These are kebab. These kebab are made of chicken and some other grains. We have mixed them, and finally.
And she does them herself, or you buy them from somewhere?
No, this is all made at home.
Homemade.
Yes, all homemade, nothing from bazaar. And this is another traditional dish. It's not all in Pakistan traditional, but in certain areas it's very traditional. We call it halim.
Halim?
Halim.
Halim.
And if people, many areas, they just, without food, they just take with spoons. It's sort of a soup as well, because there's different grains, there's chicken, there's ginger. These all sort of we have prepared, and when you eat, you won't find any little piece you might see of chicken, but it's not like soup, but we call it halim. Taste would be different, and ingredients are different. And this is our traditional sweet dish. This is made of rice as well.
What is it called?
Matanjang.
Matanjang?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
These all, I mean, different colors, made of rice.
So your food, is it very spicy or?
Yes, in different people they like very spicy, but this won't be very spicy, because I personally do like food, but spicy they do disturbs me, so I do not take very spicy. But this is for your taste. We have the quantity of all those spices is much less.
And of course, in your religion, you can't eat every type of animal, right? So what mainly is it chicken?
We do not eat just pork, but other all animals. I mean, we can eat cow, buffalo, goat, sheep, chicken, all those.
Do you miss the food in Pakistan? Of course, you have your wife that she's from the same country. She can, of course, satisfy you with every type of taste. But do you miss maybe there's a particular dish your mother used to cook, and it brings you good memories?
When I was alone, I missed a lot, because I used to prepare food myself. I couldn't bring such a beautiful and delicious taste. That time I was missing a lot. But now I don't miss, I think, a lot. Just my wife, sometimes she misses certain things. But then we try to make here, although not up to that standard. But there are a few ingredients we do miss on those. For example, dahi bhale, this very traditional. It's not snake, but sort of snake we use. I mean, yes, with the tea or that's not a food like this, but we can take any time. And the dahi bhale, she likes dahi bhale, and we go one word, fruit chaat. And these things she likes, and we do not find those full ingredients, but I think approximately 90-95% we do find, and that makes, so at the moment we are not missing a lot, yes, on family.
So food has got something special. It brings people together, and of course you work a lot in that way. Do you, when you're with your family, for instance, how important it is to eat together? I mean, you pray, of course, by yourself, but then there's the food aspect. In your culture, is it important when you eat together?
Yes, eating together is very important. One thing that all family joins together. You discuss a lot of things. Your children learn from you, and in our religion and also our traditions, every aspect of life is very important. While we eat, just few to name, just a few. We write always with the right hand.
With the right.
Yes, and also when we start eating, we pray. When we finish, we pray. And we also, when we start eating, we wash our hands. When we finish, we wash our hands. I mean, these are sort of our customs, traditions that we teach our children as well. And also, when you are eating, just try to focus on your front. Do not, jump to others. So do not disturb others. And also one good point that when you are eating together, carry on until everybody finishes. It does not, even if you finish, if you eat little, eat slowly, so everybody can finish in time. Okay. If you are just pulling your hand before, other might they need some more and might they hesitate and stop. So these are all morals and manners for the table, for the food.
So someone has to be taught before they eat with you. It's
no, not just I'm telling you, as we are discussing. Today we are friends. We can eat as we like. So this is not.
So if someone is eating with the cutlery, you don't feel disrespected?
No. We do eat those. I mean, it's not necessary. We eat with hand rice. We can use all spoon, knives. We do use.
You do use.
Yes, we use those things. Yes, sure.
Atif, ħabib tiegħek illum nistgħu ngħidu barra li student. Kif taħseb li irnexxielu jintegra daqshekk fis-soċjetà Maltija, x'integra ħafna wkoll?
Jiena niftakar il-Latif fil-vera bidu tiegħu hawnhekk. Meta ġie jgħixaw Malta, għamel qisu l-ewwel xhur, kull ma kien jagħmel jara l-aħbarijiet li jista' jara fuq it-television kollha, jaqra l-gazzetti kollha, rid isir jaf il-kultura ta' Malta. U għalkemm kien jiltaqa' man-nies kien joqgħod daqsxejn lura għaliex rid verament jifhem x'inhi l-kultura Maltija qabel jibda jaġixxi u qabel jibda jaħdem fil-kultura Maltija. Naħseb illi dak li għamlu illum il-ġurnata parti mill-kultura tagħna huwa l-karattru tiegħu. Il-karattru li l-ewwel ħaġa huwa karattru ferriħi ħafna, huwa karattru li irid jitkellem ma' kulħadd, irid isir jaf lil kulħadd qabel ma jipprova jurihom hu minnu. U naħseb illi il-fatt illi kull fejn imur Atif jagħmel il-ħbieb. Sew jekk għandu lezzjonijiet tal-Malti, l-allim mhux ħajibqa' għalliem imma ħajsir ħabib. Jekk imur il-bank, tal-bank mhux ħajibqa' sempliċement il-persuna li qed taħdem il-bank, imma ssir ħabiba tiegħu. Kull ħaġa li qed jagħmel Atif ma jiltaqax man-nies biex jieħu minn għandhom dak li għandu bżonn jieħu biss. Imma dejjem imur lilin għaliex ifittex il-ħbiberija ma' kull persuna li jiltaqa'. U naħseb illi din kienet waħda mill-fatturi illi għalija Atif illum il-ġurnata integra sew wara 4 snin.